Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna crepe with vegetables in tortilla. First, gather all your ingredients, including canned tuna, fresh vegetables, and soft tortillas. This delicious and healthy dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the flavorful tuna filling to assembling your delightful crepes. Get ready to enjoy a fresh and satisfying meal that's simple to create. Now, let's prepare our delicious tuna filling. Start by thoroughly draining 2 5-ounce cans of tuna to ensure your filling isn't watery. Next, in a medium bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for creaminess. Stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery for a nice crunch and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Next, we'll get our vegetables and tortillas ready. Finely chop 1/4 cup of red onion and 1/2 cup of your favorite bell peppers, like red or yellow, for color and flavor. Shred 1 cup of fresh lettuce or spinach to add a refreshing crunch to your crepes. Then, gently warm 4 8-inch flour tortillas in a dry pan over medium heat for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them pliable and easy to roll without cracking. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious tuna crepes. Lay a warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Spread 1/4 of your prepared tuna mixture evenly across the center, leaving a small border. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of your fresh chopped vegetables over the tuna. Carefully roll the tortilla tightly from one end to create a secure, neat crepe. You can serve these immediately or chill them for 15 minutes for an even cooler, refreshing treat. Enjoy your homemade tuna crepes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.